the natural light. How you feeling?
You're my natural light.
Oh.
You wish you got that on your camera, didn't you?
Yeah. I like your mug. The boss.
And actually, hey guys, welcome to Annaban's channel. Joined here by me, the boss.
Hello everyone.
I wasn't ready.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm joined by my dear half.
You were going to say friend
You,
now, weren't you?
no, I wasn't going to say friend. I didn't know what to call you. This is Davey, for those of you that don't know who Davey is.
Hello.
Hello. He's my boyfriend, my partner, my friend. Today we decided to bake red velvet cookies, even though you're allergic to some of these ingredients.
Only egg.
Only egg. We're gonna attempt this. I'll touch the egg, and that'll be fine. But yeah, we're gonna make red velvet cookies. As it is almost Valentine's Day, we thought it would be a nice activity to do together. And yeah, I really wanted to do it in a bake-off kind of like video, but this one didn't want to bake off against me because he knew I'd look like.
I knew she'd lose.
No, you'd lose. You would be totally losing. So yeah, as it is Valentine's Day, that is what we've decided to do. We're going to make some red velvet cookies. You seem to think they look like salami pieces in photos.
They do.
But yeah, and we might just try and create like little heart-shaped ones. So yeah, I hope you're all having a wonderful time and that Valentine's Day is an amazing day for you guys. We haven't got any plans yet, have we?
No.
Apart from baking cookies. So as you can see, we've got all the ingredients in front of us. The big brown sugar. And yeah, we're gonna just do this one by one. It's a really, really simple, easy recipe to make. We've never actually attempted to make these before, so we're hoping it is quick and easy and they come out well. How excited are you for baking cookies?
There is nothing I love more than getting in that kitchen and cooking some cookies.
You sound so sarcastic.
That's the point.
So yeah, this is a quick and easy recipe and we hope you enjoy it. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Okay, so first up you want to get yourself a nice big bowl and a wooden spoon. And then, first of all, we want to mix the butter and the two sugars together with some vanilla extract. Can you be the beater?
I do.
And then we're just going to beat it all together. Oh, gooey. Beat it in, mix it. Strap it, pack it, mix it.
Bap it.
Bap it. Oh, this is hard work. Sugar me. Ooh. So currently we're mixing 160 grams of butter and 125 grams of brown caster sugar and normal caster sugar. That's a lot of caster sugar. I like that, that was nice. That was like a...
Majestic, I know.
Ooh. So now we're just mixing it all together.
Mix it up, we're going to mix it up.
Mix.
And a very important tip, make sure you tidy up as you go along.
We also need to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
Oh, this is Madagascar vanilla.
Very exotic. Here it goes. Oh.
I feel like we've really got this cookie dough down.
Okay. I think so. You up then, babe?
I really feel professional when I do it like this.
Okay, right, next we need to add the egg and the egg yolk one at a time, along with as much food colouring as you need to create a vivid colour mix. Right, I'm going to put the eggs in. Ooh. Blobby.
Or should we have a good finger taste for first?
Just butter and sugar. How was that?
Tastes good.
Sure.
It's pretty sweet. Warning! Warning! Eggs imminent! Eggs imminent!
This looks really sloppy, I have to say. Looks like... I don't know. Oh, doesn't look very good. But it will be.
Hi, Mum! I just feel like this is something my mum would do. I feel she would be like Get a fork in there.
Okay, right, next up we need to mix the, oh no, yeah, we need to put in the food colouring.
Ready?
What one have we got? We've gone from Mr. Onken. No? I can't pronounce that.
What a classic.
We've gone for a gel food dye instead of like a normal liquid one. To say that it might be more vivid, and this is a vivid red colour. Oh! Oh! Oh, okay, that's a lot of food colour. I don't know if we needed the whole thing. But oh. Looks like, I don't know if this looks romantic or whether it looks
murderous.
Yeah, murderous. I don't know how to pronounce this guy. Dr. Oakta. Going in. So, as you can see, I've just mixed in the eggs and also the food colouring to give you a nice red hit of goo. Okay, next up we're going to be taking a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. Teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, and we're going to mix it together with 250 grams of plain flour. Then we're going to be taking
some fresh cocoa.
20 grams of cocoa powder. Cocoa powder?
But it's not bicarbonate of cocoa powder.
No, cocoa powder. And we're going to mix that in with the flour as well. Plop. Okay, then we're going to mix this in with this. Slowly, a little bit at a time whilst beating it, so...
We have to give it a little mix.
Wait. Right, a little bit at a time. Ooh. That's good. Ooh. That smells amazing.
Do you want to pour an old mix?
Yeah. Ooh, starting to get stiff. Oh, it smells amazing. It smells proper chocolatey. I didn't realise this was going to be like chocolatey.
I'm just going to whip this into a fancy.
How's your Valentine's Day baking coming?
Oh, I love it. 14th of February is my favourite day ever. Christmas, birthdays, Valentine's Day.
You know it. We're only halfway.
Alright, slow ladies. Oh Lord.
This is, how many cookies have we actually made? This smells amazing! Oh, that looks horrible. Okay, next up we've got some white chocolate. And we're gonna eat it, and we're gonna split it up into some chunks, and then we've also got some chocolate chips. I'm just gonna add that into the cookie mix.
Cooking chocolate isn't the same as normal chocolate, is it?
It tastes horrible.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's like butter.
Oh, chocolate. Yum.
Just call me Gordon Ramsay.
Oh, you're good. Oh, be careful your little fingers. Oh, you're having a fun time panning. Okay, then we need to get a tablespoon and use that to get out lumps of this and put it on a tray. Then we're going to put it in the fridge just to chill for half an hour.
Have you missed the
before
salt? We haven't put any salt in there yet.
Atlas men have gone in with the bicarbonate of soda and the flour.
Someone forgot to salt it up.
I forgot the salt.
Somebody forgot the salt.
Oh,
Ruined. Let's chuck it away.
It's me to know. Okay, right, we need half a teaspoon of salt. Crushed salt.
Got there? Bit more.
Yeah.
So we're going to have 2 really salty cookies. Well, I'll mix that in. I think someone didn't muck up the recipe.
I take it back, you totally would have won the fake.
You would have had nice salted cookies.
Right, now I need to get the tablespoon and get out scoops and put them onto this tray. So you need a baking tray. I'm going to have more cookies than one baking tray. Now it doesn't actually say to like do this, to actually prepare it, but we're just going to put a little bit of butter on it anyway. Just so it doesn't stick. Right, big old scoop, spread them all out.
Oh well, you do your little try and I'll do my try.
Okay.
We'll have a little competition.
I try and do them in like a heart shape. Oh, mine look like devils rather than hearts.
Oh. Well, I think the key is having a thinner one and then trying to work with a thinner one to get what you want.
Yeah, maybe you're right.
What?
Oh, right. This is how mine are looking like at the moment. I'm quite happy with them.
It's not how they look before they go out, before they go in. It's how they look after they come out.
Show everyone yours. Show everyone yours.
Mine aren't finished yet, alright? An artist takes time.
Okay.
Alright. So, you say what you say.
I'm not saying anything. I'm not saying anything.
I think you underestimate my abilities as a cook.
I think I do. Okay, so now we're going to put them in the fridge and just leave them for a half hour to just set
Chill.
and chill a little bit. Right, we're going to go leave it to chill now. So there you go, guys. This is the final result. I have to say,
salty. No, I've got some really salty ones.
didn't quite turn out the way we wanted them to.
Mine turned out amazingly.
You sure about that? Red velvet cookies did look a little bit more. I don't know. We left them in for 15 minutes, but they went a little bit dark. So maybe we shouldn't have put that amount of food colouring in them. But I had to cut mine out because mine congealed into one big, large cookie. And
whereas I had 6 separate, well-formed cookies.
But then you tried getting them off
I didn't try anything. Oh, that worked really well, actually. Mine turned out the winning combination.
Really? Do you think that looks like winning combination?
I'm sorry, that looks like they would serve up in Millie's cookies compared to these half-cut ones that look like some
like
sort of
hearts.
child. Yeah, they do now.
That's what we were going for.
Not in the baking tray.
Yeah, but I was crafting them out.
That looks like a naturally well-formed cookie.
No, it doesn't. How do they taste?
Mmm. Man, I really love these cookies.
Let us know if you do decide to bake these at a later date. Obviously not for Valentine's because you'll probably be seeing this around Valentine's. But let us know how yours turn out. If yours turn out better, I'd love to see some pictures of some sort or something like that. So there you go, that was our red velvet cookies. I really, really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you are new to my channel. Once again, massive apologies for the sound throughout this whole video,
And
apart from the end.
hit the notification thing so you can get updates.
Wait, he knows his stuff.
Look like a smile. Or maybe a moustache. A moustache with a question.
Thanks again for watching, everyone. See you all soon, and